Now repeat after me. Slow down. Slow down. Meaning, a slowdown is a period during which activity, growth, or progress decreases or becomes less intense. Slowdowns can happen in the economy, work environments, or even personal routines. In a sentence, the company experienced a slowdown in sales during the holiday season. Here, slowdown refers to the decrease in business activity. Let's try another example. Economic experts predict a slowdown in the job market as companies adjust to new conditions. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using slowdown. Synonyms. Some related terms for slowdown are decline, a decrease in activity, growth, or intensity. Recession, a period of economic decline, often marked by a general slowdown. Antonyms. The opposite of slowdown would be growth, an increase in activity or progress. Acceleration, a quickening in speed or activity. Part of speech. Slow down is a noun referring to a decrease in activity or speed. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.